Here's a 2018 GMC Sierra 1500. This is a truck with a work ethic to match your own, one that doesn't stop at good enough. It boasts an impressive list of features, like these: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, remote engine start smart device, front heated leather split bench seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, electronic shift on the fly, and power tilt-down heated mirrors. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional-grade tool. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.